Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M7 Plus and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. If you can see the video highlighted and a red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the right we've got the resolution. So right now we've got 1080p, and after tapping on it we can switch to 720p, and in this device we've got only two options which are connected with the resolution. And the same situation with the front camera. Just tap on this this icon to change the rear camera to the front one, and again you can change the resolution just by tapping on this option. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.